Hey guys, welcome back. It's time. It's finally here. The fuel regulator is finally here. Holley 12-887. Here it is. Got the barbs already installed. I had to run to the store and get some. Comes with a little bracket and some screws. There's the box and the instructions it comes in. So we're going to put that on. I got to get the fuel pressure gauge and the regulator. Then we're going to get it on there. I'm probably not going to put the gauge on until it's installed, but other than that, let's get to it. Alright, so I got the regulator in. As you've seen, I fought with it. So the screws I was screwing into the regulator for the bracket are supplied by Holley, and they didn't fit right. I test fit them outside, and they didn't fit right either. I'm sorry, but if you ask me, this Holley regulator is junk. This is ridiculous. It's the supplied screws. I could see if I was trying to put in different screws, but oh well. I got the fuel pressure gauge on there. I got the barbs on there. That's another thing. The instructions they give you. Here, let's show you how to wire up a fuel pump, and let's give you instructions for fuel pressure regulators 12803, 12803, and 12804. But we're gonna send you a 12887 fuel regulator. So very poor on the instructions. I don't know if I have my gauge in the right spot. I don't know if I necessarily have to run a return because this truck never had a return. So I'm gonna end up running a return and just route it to the vent line on the tank and hope for the best. I was very disappointed with Holley. Usually they're on top of their game according to everybody else. So I don't know what to expect, but I'm just kind of warning you guys that this Holley fuel regulator, that's what I think of it. Okay, real quick, I just wanted to show you how I routed the fuel line. I followed the other fuel line and zip tied them together real nicely. Now I just got to lower the truck so I can reach up there, and I'm going to connect this fuel line to the nipple on the tank, and then I'll lower the truck, and we should be able to start this thing up and tune it in a little bit. Alright, so sorry it's been kind of delayed, but I've been letting it warm up. I got the fuel regulator in. It's right where it should be. I dialed in the carburetor. I'll make a video on that. Idle should be set. I just gotta take it for a ride once it gets fully warm, I'll take it for a ride and readjust the carburetor. Then the next day that we have a really nice day, I'll take you guys for a ride.